Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Esme, and today I'm going to review my Sephora Play Box, or Play by Sephora. Let me just go ahead and open it real quick. Okay. Scissors up. Alright, and this is what it looks like when you open it up. And it comes with a pamphlet, and it comes with 50 Sephora points that you can redeem online or in store. And this just tells you a little bit about everything, and it comes in a little red recyclable bag. Let's take that out. Okay. First thing I see is not a bonbon cream, but it's the Coco cream. And I have a mini size like this, but it's a little bit bigger than this. But this smells like coconut, and it's for your body, and it smells magical, and it works wonders. And the next thing I see is a anti-aging bond repair spray, protecting spray. Then a Bye under eye cream from A Cosmetics. Let's take this out real quick. Looks like. And then I have from Benefit, a Bad Girl Bang mascara. Let's take this one out of the box too. Here's the components. Then let's see what the wand looks like. Pretty thin, so perfect for the under eye lashes. And a perfume sample. And the last thing in here is a Smashbox liquid eye lipstick in the shade Stepping Out. Because I have it on the bottom, so it looks like. And also, for those who don't know, Play by Sephora is a monthly subscription box. It's $10.83 each month, and I think it's a really good deal. Even though I have BoxyCharm, and BoxyCharm is mostly like $21 for 5 full-size products, and these are always small or miniature sizes. And you do get that 50 points to redeem at Sephora in-store or online. And let me show you the little pamphlet it comes with. Looks like this. And this month is all about, I want to say it's traveling, since we're going into the summertime. You can see, and it tells you little facts about each and every product. And then these are what the little cards look like. And if you're like me, I like to hoard them. And they have an expiration date, so this one is good through June 30th. And I usually try to use them, and then usually they give them back to me because I like to keep them. Each month is a different style or different theme, as you can see. And it really does help you with your points. And I think it's a really good subscription box, honestly, if you're new to makeup and you get to try new brands at Sephora. So I highly recommend y'all try Play by Sephora, but it's up to y'all. And that's it for my video. Bye!